If you're an eligible creator in the YouTube Partner Program, you can use mid-roll ads to monetize videos longer than 8 minutes. When using mid-rolls, having the right placements can improve your earning opportunities and ensure a great viewer experience. So let's walk through how to use mid-roll ads and some best practices for using them. You can enable mid-roll ads during the video upload flow. Under Monetization, choose On, then check Show Mid-roll ads during my video. YouTube will automatically insert ad slots in your video. Even if no automatic slots are inserted at first, we recommend keeping automatic ad slots turned on, so we can continue to look for additional ad slots. If you want to add more ad slots in addition to the automatic ones, you can do so manually. To do this, click Manage Ad Slots, then Insert Ad Slot. If you want to limit our ad serving system to only consider specific points in your video, place ad slots manually and opt out of automatic mid-rolls by unchecking the Automatic Ad Slots box. As a reminder, when you place manual mid-roll ad slots, it tells our systems specific places in your video where you'd like an ad to serve. Our ad serving systems then determine which ad slots are likely or unlikely to serve ads based on a number of factors. This helps balance viewer experience, creator earnings, and advertiser value. After you save a manual ad slot, YouTube will let you know whether or not an ad is likely to serve in that slot. This visibility should help you adjust your manual mid-roll ad slots so you can increase your ads opportunities. If you choose to place mid-roll ads manually, here are some best practices to consider. Place ad slots at natural breakpoints. Ad slots that are placed at natural breakpoints are more likely to serve ads. Avoid placing ad slots mid-word, mid-sentence, or mid-action. Look for scene transition shots. Changes in subjects, music, or plot are good indicators for ad breaks. Use visual and audio cues from video. Fade-outs, black or white screens, title cards, and changes in music or sound effects can signal a good breakpoint. Avoid placing ads too early or late in the video. Be careful of placing mid-roll breaks too close to the beginning and end of a video, as there may be pre- and post-roll ads. For more information on using mid-rolls on your videos, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.